Here is Turn Up app, dating through Spotify, quite popular app, so you can find dates and friends who share your musical taste, indicate your favorite artists, songs, music genres, and create your blind test. The algorithm takes the care of the rest. All you have to do is fill in your description. There are also music-oriented prompts to guide you if you like inspiration. You can then instantly discover nearby people who share your musical taste. It's pretty cool, right? And to like someone's profile, you can either try their blind test and send them direct message or swipe their profile to the right. If the person replies, enjoy your new match. Whether you can follow new friends, you can meet on them on Turn Up. So that's kind of the idea of it. So yeah, quite cool. So yeah, and then you can just open it up. So this is how the app looks like. You can then just swipe as you have on Tinder or whatever. You see instantly people who have specific taste. But I guess, yeah, you see received likes, sent likes, and then you see your profile. You need to musical bio, you need to connect whatever. This is just a test example. You need to connect your Spotify. You need to answer all of these questions. About me, boost your profile. Then you have premium, profile overview, basic filters, music genres, others, and then you also have the details, and then you also have chats, and that's kind of what you have in here. So yeah, that's kind of the idea.